Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a comment box transparent or change comment box transparency. Open your PDF file and I'll make this comment box transparent. Click on this comment box and select. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and select here properties option. And properties dialog box open and select appearance option. And here you will find this comment box transparency option and make it 50%. And see this transparency now change. Also you can in this decrease here at convex transparency. And another you will find this properties dialog box right here. Also you can change convex transparency and see this, and this border option, and so this one also. See this. In this way you can make it comment box transparent. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.